Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled MLOps. Deploying and managing AI models in production. Keeping your AI running. Imagine you bake the perfect cake. Your AI model, MLOps, is like setting up a bakery to sell it. It's all about getting your AI model out into the world and keeping it running smoothly. We'll cover how to bake, serve, and maintain your AI cake. First, we train our AI model, which is like baking a cake. We gather ingredients, data, follow a recipe, algorithm, and bake it. Train the model until it's perfect. This process involves using libraries like TensorFlow or PyTorch. Now, we need to open our bakery. Deploy the model. This means making your model accessible to users. We'll use cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure, which are like fancy ovens that can serve many customers at once. Just like a baker checks the oven, we monitor our model's performance. We use tools to track how accurately it's making predictions. If something goes wrong, like the cake burning, we need to know. Imagine having a recipe book that keeps track of all your cake recipes. Model versions. Version control helps us track changes and easily revert to older versions if needed. Git is a popular tool for this. CI/CD is like having a robot baker. It automates the process of building, testing, and deploying your model. This ensures new features and updates are released efficiently and reliably. As your bakery AI model gets more popular, you need to expand. This involves managing the computing resources needed to handle increasing requests, ensuring your AI can handle growing demand without crashing. Protecting your bakery and your AI model from intruders is crucial. We'll explore secure ways to deploy and protect your model and its data from unauthorized access or attacks. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.